This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use top-secret training in Shinobi Striker. To begin, head over to the VR ninjutsu arena in the Hidden Leaf Village. Once there, you can choose from a variety of VR masters, each offering their own unique set of ninjutsu, secret techniques, and cosmetic items. Simply select a master to start their training program and unlock powerful new abilities for your custom ninja. To progress through your chosen master's training, you'll need to earn training points. This is achieved by completing various missions and battles while having that specific VR master equipped. The better you perform in combat, the more training points you'll accumulate. Aim for higher mission ranks, like an S rank, to maximize your point gain and advance more quickly through their program. As you accumulate training points, you'll reach different training levels with your chosen master. Each level unlocks exciting new rewards, ranging from powerful ninjutsu and devastating secret techniques to unique clothing and accessory items for your custom character. Remember, some masters provide exclusive abilities that can significantly enhance your combat effectiveness, making this training incredibly valuable. For the most efficient training, consider focusing on one VR master until you've unlocked all their desired rewards. Playing missions where you consistently achieve high ranks, such as A or S, will significantly speed up your progress. Also, keep an eye out for special in-game events that offer double training points, as these are fantastic opportunities to accelerate your unlocks and master new techniques much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.